Hey yo, what up? What up? What up? What up? Welcome, 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 welcome. Today we just gonna talk about a little bit of thing, about Stephen A. Smith because this dude, I'm not gonna lie, I used to follow him. I used to listen to what he says and stuff like that, and what he used to say before, it used to be something good. I'm talking back then. I ain't talking about I ain't talking about now. I'm talking about back then. Back then, he used to be saying a lot of, like when he talking about the sports, he says some good stuff. Like sometimes it be nonsense he stuff, but it be good stuff sometimes. Like he do his study on the sports sometimes. But now But now it's like everything comes from Stephen A. Smith's mouth. He don't even believe it. I don't even have to believe it. He don't even believe it. Because this is what we're gonna talk about. It's this stuff going on with Yana and Shaq, who was better. And Shaq said Yana is better than him. I don't know about Yana being better than Chuck. I don't know that. I don't know, Shaq. I don't know. I can't agree with you on that one. But we can see though. We can see. I don't know. That's a whole lot of debate right there. But we talking about Yana and you right now, and Stephen A. Because when you said that, I kind of agree with you that Yana is better than you. Because my whole thing with Shaq got in the lead. He didn't get better. And nobody should come up here and argue with me saying Shaq got better when he got in the lead. No, Shaq didn't get better. Shaq just got bigger. That's all. He didn't get better. His game never changed. He just got bigger. And he was able to push everybody around the damn place. And we don't fault him for that because all the center was gone from the league. When the center then was in the league, when he had players then that could play his position and stuff like that, he wasn't doing that to them. He was doing it to the bench player. He wasn't doing it to superstars and stuff, like stars like him and stuff and like that. No, we seen. I don't even want to start calling names because we seen games. We seen games where Shaq got treated. We seen games. But when all these centers then retires and got out the league, Shaq was the last dominant center left. So he just run the league for like almost a decade. He ran the league. Then Yao Ming came and we see the difference a little bit. But the only thing Yao Ming he couldn't stay healthy. But we see the difference a little bit. Although Shaq was bigger than Yao Ming, but Yao Ming was a problem for him because Shaq only had one way of playing. And you, Stephen A., you said it. Shaq got one way of playing. You said it from your own mouth that his dad told him, if I see you taking another jump shot, you gonna know. All Shaq, like, we know what Shaq, like, I don't blame Shaq for doing what he did. But all I tell Shaq is, like, you never build your game, bro. You never build your game. It's like when you started getting old, there was nothing you can rely on. Because you couldn't do these little kids thing like that no more. Your body was breaking down. You couldn't like keep bumping into them and doing all that stuff. Yeah, you go feel the pain too. So it was different. You didn't build your game. You didn't land that jump shot from the pin. Like you could have just land a little bit of jump shot from the pin. Instead of just bull rushing people, you could have landed a little bit of jump shot. But you didn't. But this ain't about Shaq because Shaq said the right stuff. This is about Stephen A. Smith. I'm getting sick and tired of this dude just talking. You getting paid. Now I gotta check the error real quick. You getting paid $12 million, which is good because I think you deserve your money. Like I'm not gonna all the talking, all the screaming you be doing on TV, shit. You better get paid for that shit. You deserve your money. So I ain't counting your pocket. I'm just saying, like, do the damn job. Do the damn job you getting paid to do. Stop collecting free money and talking bull. Because that's all you're doing nowadays. You just talking bull. And when they start calling you out on it, you use your power on TV to talk crap, because you know the players you're talking about, they're not on TV like you 24/7. They got other stuff. They're done with the basketball stuff. They go to the family. Stephen A. Smith, you ain't got no kids. You ain't got no family that you gonna run to. So all you do is work, 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 work. It's cool. That's what you want to do. You do that. But you don't argue with somebody when they say that. It comes from his own mouth. Of he saying Yana is better than him. But you want to argue with it. It's like, what was the argument about? And the argument you're making is making no sense. Because even in your own argument, you said you said Shaq only play one way. It's go down that lane and dunk on you. We know Yana play different ways. Yana play like a point guard. Yana can bring the ball up. Yana can pass the ball. Yana can he take shots too. He take jump shots too. He take 3 points too. We seen him hit 4 3 points in the game. We seen him do a bunch of stuff. It's like it's not what he does, but he do it. He tried to do it. That was my problem with Shaq. Shaq would have been one of the best players in the game. Like, not even one of the best players in the game. When you count in the new generation, I don't go back in the old generation and count Shaq as one of the best players in the game. I'm sorry, Shaq, but I don't. You wasn't one of the best players in the game back then. When all of them retired, you became the best in the game. I'm just keeping it real. But Stephen A. Smith sitting there and want to argue with Max, and for the first time in my life, I agree with Max. Like, usually me and him, we disagree to agree. Like, shit, hell no, we disagree to agree. Because sometimes the stuff he be saying, I don't believe that until I see it. I don't believe what that nigga be telling me. I'm sorry for the N-word and stuff, but I don't believe what Stevie A or Max be telling me. I don't. I gotta look it up for myself, because nowadays they just talk. They don't follow stuff no more. And when the players then go after them, we don't see Max doing that. So Max knows he ain't crazy to do that. So he don't do that. He don't care. But we see Stephen A acting all tough, like, you don't want to do that with me. Stephen A, who are you? Who are you? Who are you to tell a man whatever he says is wrong? Who are you? Because he wasn't talking about nobody else. He was comparing himself with Yana. And he said Yana was better than him. So why would you sit there and say, oh no, he ain't better than you? He ain't no center. It's not about the position, Stephen A. He said Yana is better than me. He didn't say positions. He didn't. So what is your argument in that? What is your argument? Because I really want you to get back on TV and go back on First Take and explain what is the argument in that. We see Shaq dunk the ball 24/7. We see Yana dunk the ball 24/7. You want to argue like, oh, for Shaq, it's a hacker Shaq. It's a hacker Shaq. Because he couldn't shoot no damn free throw. If a dude can shoot no free throw and they're winning the game, I know I can keep following him so he can go on that line. And I know he can miss the free throw. I can get the ball back and go score. I'm going to keep following him. It come right back to Shaq didn't build his game up. Shaq, if all you're going to do is dunk, then the offseason, all you should do is learn how to shoot fucking free throw. You shoot. That's one of the things I started saying about Giannis too. Forget that 3-point shots. You need to learn how to shoot free throw. Because if you're going to be going to the lane 24/7 and they can foul you, but you can't shoot the free throw, what's the point? What's the point? That's the thing I want him to build on his game. Because he shoot better threes than Shaq. So let's get there. He shoot better threes than Shaq. I think he get more blocks than Shaq. I think Shaq get more rebounds than him. I think he got more points than Shaq. Or Shaq get more points than him. But it wouldn't be by that much. So what's the... It's like, I don't get you sometimes, Stephen. I don't get your argument sometimes. It's like, it don't make no sense for you to just sit there and argue with something when the person from his own mouth said it. He said, oh, that's what I said from the beginning. Like, I agree with you that Yana is better than him. I agree with him that Yana is better than him. But I ain't agreeing with him that Yana is better than Chuck. No, I'm not. I'm not. It's like, Chuck again. Chuck again.